In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on two-step verification on eBay. First, log into your eBay account using the usual credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your name at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Sign In and Security to access your security options. Look for the two-step verification section and click on Edit next to it to modify your settings. You'll see an option for text messages on mobile. Click on Use Text. Adjust the option to opt for SMS verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your mobile number, and this is the number eBay will use to send your verification codes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.